Hey everybody, it's Lisa from Lisa's Hodgepodge again. I have taken some time away from filming and I apologize for that, but I came down with laryngitis and lost my voice for almost an entire week. It's still a little raspy, but it's a lot better than what it was. I had a video filmed before I lost my voice, but I haven't put it up yet. It's been in my computer. I've had work. I've had other things that I've been doing, and time just completely got away from me. So I'm planning on doing this and uploading that one this weekend as well as this one, because I got my Ipsy and my Sephora Play box. Like I got my Ipsy today, I got my Sephora yesterday. So I'm going to share with you what I got in both of those. I'm going to start with Ipsy first because the first thing that I have to show is actually something I traded in my points for. So this is an I have no clue how to pronounce that, but it's like a lip balm, lip blender kind of thing. It has the color as well as a lip balm around it, so that is awesome because I have notoriously horribly dry lips and I constantly have to put lip balm under lip gloss or sorry, lipstick, or even a gloss on top of it so that it's at least comfortable throughout the day. The one I'm wearing right now is Urban Decay's 1993, and it's matte. It's a lipstick. It's not the liquid lipstick, and it's still a little dry on lips, but I really hope that this works. It's a really gorgeous color, so I'm excited. And this is what the the Ipsy Glam bag looks like. It's almost like a sneaker material, so that's kind of cool. As soon as I saw this, I thought of my friend Rachel because she loves these bright colors. So I might give this bag to her if she'd like it. All right, let's look what's inside. I have something from DLS, Dirty Little Secret. It's an eyeshadow. Let's look what's in the color Sangria. Let's look what it looks like. See what it looks like. Ooh, it's pretty. It's like a burgundy type red color and it's shimmery. Let me swatch it because it looks gorgeous. Okay, all right. Isn't that pretty? That is really pretty, very pigmented. So I'm excited for that. I don't have very many burgundy eyeshadows, so that's gonna look really good, I think. And then we have a Seraphine Botanicals Raisin and Cream Long Lasting Creamy Lip Stain. So it's a crayon form and it looks like it's just a lip stain, so I don't know. Let me see what it looks like. Let's stain my hand, shall we? Let's see what it does. Sorry, I just knocked the camera. I have it sitting on a box in front of me because I'm not fancy and I don't have a camera holder. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, that's actually a pretty color. I like that color. Oh, and it's really creamy, very creamy. Okay, I like this. I like that a lot. Next, we have a microfacial exfoliating mask from Dermalect, I think it is. If you see how it's written there, you realize why I'm having a little bit of trouble. But this is great. It's an exfoliating mask. I'll take it. I will take it. Yeah, I've been having to deal with a bunch of dry skin, then oily skin, and then just all over skin because my skin doesn't know what it wants to be right now. So I'm trying to just help it, you know, be more my skin, back to normal, just all that. So we'll see. I'm going to one of those Sephora classes for beauty insiders on Sunday, and it's all about just your skin IQ. So it's going to tell me what kind of skin I actually have, because I've never known. I thought I was oily. Then somebody told me I was super dry. Then I think I was combination, because it's like my cheeks are dry, but my nose was oily. Now I have absolutely no clue, because it's doing whatever it wants to do. So I want to find out what skin type I am, so I can actually get products that I know will work for me. And talking about skincare, got another one. This is Real Chemistry Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser. So yay. Awesome. I'm actually running low on cleansers, so it'll be nice. And the last thing in my bag is a Mary Luminizer from The Balm. I think that this is gorgeous. I actually have a pan of this in one of the palettes I have. I have the Bon Jovi palette, and it has a Mary Luminizer in there, which is actually pretty cool. But let's swatch this and see how shiny. I don't know if you can see that with, nope, you can't see that at all. I am super pale. Oh, there we go. Now you can see it. It's right there. Yeah, I guess I had it too close to the light. But that's my glam bag. Overall, I'm happy. We'll see how the skincare works, but I'm hopeful for it. Let's go into Sephora Play. Now, the bag looks like this. It's the Happy You year. So this whole thing, I read a little blurb about it on the website when they're giving you your hint of what you're gonna get. And it was all about just starting the year off fresh, new you, just all of that. And so I was assuming it was gonna be a lot of skincare, a lot of just things to rejuvenate your skin. So I think I'm correct, but who knows? Let's look into it. The first thing I see I'm never gonna use. So it's a little sample of the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. I have very, very fine, oily hair. If I put a hair mask or a deep conditioning mask on it, it will be just heavy, fall flat, won't, no, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna use this. I can give it to someone else. I have a couple friends with thick hair, dry hair. I'm sure this will work, but it says to put it on for 20 minutes over or under a plastic cap. Yes, my hair will just like weigh down so much. I'm not gonna like that at all, so I'm gonna give this away. That is not for me. But oh, I wanted to try this so bad, so I'm excited now. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. So I saw this and I almost bought it. But I wasn't sure how it works. I love Smashbox primers. I have like two of them. I have tons of those tiny ones. But I love their primers. They're awesome. And to be able, it's small, but it's a sample. It'll work for now. But I think this will be great because I want to see how it works. Because sometimes wearing a moisturizer and a primer together, it's just too heavy on the skin. So let's hope that this works. I'm excited to try this out. So excited. Yay. Ooh, Fresh. I love Fresh. Oh, their stuff is so amazing. This is the Rose Floral Toner. I've never tried this, but I'm getting into a lot more, sorry, my cat's knocking stuff over again. That was her this time, I'm sorry. I'm getting into using toners. Before, I never really did. I thought they were for acne. Not a lot of people told me. I know next to nothing about skincare. I'm learning, and I'm learning a lot more. And so now I know when to use toner and why to use toner. And so I'm using it a lot more regularly now. So I'm going to go and try this out definitely. So I'm excited about that. Oh, yay. I got another one. I got one of these last month too. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss in Kristen. It's a different color, obviously, but let's try it out. I liked the other one. Ooh, I like this. This is my color, mauve nude right there. This is, oh, I love it. And it doesn't feel very sticky. It doesn't feel very sticky. It's a little sticky, but I've seen stickier, so I like this. I'll take it. I saw Glam Glow in here. Yes, Glam Glow. I got a Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. So another cleanser to try. Yes. So, and I love Glam Glow. I love their masks. So I'm excited. I want to try this out. I like it. And my last thing in here, it's orange. It's Clinique. Nice. The Pep Start Eye Cream. Perfect. I am using this eye cream right now. It's behind the camera. Let me see if I can feel for it. And I'm knocking the camera over, sorry. I'm using this Pure Lease eye cream right now. I got this from Gen Beauty, I think last year or the year before, but then I hadn't opened it for a while, so it was sitting closed in my cabinet. But this stuff is almost out. So I'll need something else to try afterwards, and I can always go to my Clinique, so that's awesome. And I actually just got from TJ Maxx a Clinique facial sonic brush, the cleanser brush. So I'm excited to use, well, don't want to say I'm excited to use that. I was excited to use that. I've been using it for the couple days. And the one thing that people told me online, because I read reviews and all of that, they told me that this and the Clarisonic, using it the first couple days, you are going to probably notice some breakouts because it's bringing all the oils to the surface and then cleaning them out. And when I heard that, I was like, I do not want breakouts. I'm 33 years old. I don't need any more breakouts. I dealt with those as a teenager. And yeah, got some breakouts. Got one right there, a couple on my chin. It's lovely. I feel young and vibrant again. But hopefully with regular use of that thing, it will clear those pimples really nicely. And I just hope they go away. I do not like them, I'll tell you that. But yeah, that's my play and my ipsy. So if you subscribe to either of those and you got different things, please tell me what you got down below. I'd be very interested in finding out about that. Because I know the ipsies, they give a whole bunch of different things away, as well as the Sephora Play. I know one of my friends just signed up for it, and so I kind of want to know what she got because this month is going to be her first bag. So I'm kind of I'm curious. I want to see, because I've only known me who's gotten it, and now I know somebody else. So I'm excited for that. But yes, so I hope to see you guys in the future. My videos are going to be coming up. My videos are going to be more often. I have a weight loss one that I'm planning on filming very shortly. I want to do my 2-month mark, which is going to be on the 24th. So look on the 24th for that. I'm going to make a video for my 2 months. And yes, so I hope you have a fabulous day wherever you are, and I will see you around. Bye.